Hello, this is Robert. I want to talk about Vim. We're going to do pulling an alias today. Let me pull up the demo here. Now I've zipped this up and I've put it on VK. I will have a link in the down in the write-up for this video. Anyway, without any further ado, what we're going to do is we're going to open the terminal, and I have a zip file, a tar file. Just untar that in your home directory. So it will be home, and then it'll be demo vim. So if we go into demo vim, we're going to open a terminal, and the terminal, you'll notice that the demo underscore vim, the pwd, pwd is demo vim. So we're just going to do a gvim, and we're going to do a source vim. If you hit the tab, you get completion. So that's then we'll hit enter. Now we're going to press the F9 key. I'll go into this further, the key definitions. But what this is we have a series of directories here. And what we're doing is we're pulling an alias. What we're going to do is pull a copy of whatever is in here. We're going to go with demo vim. We're going to do an R and then an R. That's two R's in a row. In Vim, R is replaced, and then the second character is what you want to replace it with. So I'm typing an RR on that. And then I'm going to press an F7. Okay. And it brings it up. This right here is this is what I call an alias folder, and this is a copy of this. Now we have a breadcrumb back to the directory we copied it from. F7 just gets the topmost files, like you see here, and F8 will grab the topmost folder plus the underlying directories there. So. Now let's go over here, and we have a .copy too. This is where the breadcrumb gets stored to, so we can look at the breadcrumb trail. And let's see, let's sort by date. So this one here that was stored today, and this is meant so that if you ever need to go back there, you can double click on this, and it will open up, with this view, the alias folder followed by the folder it was copied from. So we're going to close this one out. So that's kind of a demo of that. Let's do one more demo. So we're going to get into gvim again, and we're going to do a source hit tab for completion, and we're going to do F9. And we're going to do the same thing with a RR, and then we're going to do a F8. And that's going to pull us up a demo with it's grabbing all the subfolders, which we have folders here. Now these are zipped also, so that you can see this is more or less just the presentation demo. And the README file, it details, F7 does the topmost folders, F8 grabs the folders and the underlying folders. And so this is so you can kick the tires. I do aliasing quite a lot because oftentimes I can isolate files and I can work on them separately, and when I get them worked, then I can copy them back to the original. This is come in very handy over the years. So this is what I do. Now let's go into this is the one we sourced. You can use any file name you want. I do this just because I'm weird.lisp. I realize this is an Emacs file, but you can just the freedom you have. I just felt like doing it this way. So anyway, this is the F9. This brings up this script here, which sets up we'll go into this a little bit. We'll do a GF from right here. That's a go-to file, GF. And we'll look at this, and what this does is it takes this one this text file with the directories we have on it, and we'll do GF here. You'll notice that, and this is the file, this is our template file here, where if you want to add directories to these, you edit it just like any other document. You need to have the back ticks there because it's set up for that, and we'll just do a BD and go backwards here. So we're here, and we split this into 3 columns. And we set up a couple of map keys, F7 for the top copy, and then for all copy. And these two are basically just about the same. They only we'll go into this one here. We'll do a GF into here. And so if we look at the CP command, the only difference is that I have the R for recurse is in the all, and it's not in the other one. So in the other one, I would just take this one out, and so you would just copy from the source directory just the topmost. But and anyway, that's a presentation. Just thought I would share that with you. I'm just I use this stuff all the time. I'm working on a Windows demonstration from a Windows point of view. I only use Linux on my home computer. I work on a Windows computer, so I'm working on that. So when I get done with that, I'll present that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and hope you liked the video. And that's a wrap.